British woman missing after leaving Ocho hotel. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police are seeking the public's help in locating Mekealah Freemantle, a 39-year-old British national who has been missing since Saturday, May 24th. Reports from the Ocho police are that Miss Freemantle was last seen leaving the Ocho Hotel in St. Anne. She has not been seen or heard from since. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Miss Freemantle is being asked to contact the Ocho police at 876-974-2533, the 119 police emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.